Darwinian evolution. Junk science.
What I understand about evolution is that it is so fundamental in the time in which we live. It's part of the worldview to such an extent that it really is an everyday part of our lives, sometimes in ways that we don't even know about. So I thought I would go into this more deeply about evolution. I want to look at it as to where it really came from, what its origin is. And I think when you see where it really came from, you're going to see why we are completely justified to totally just flush this whole evolution idea down the toilet. It's not a scientific idea. It's really a very evil idea. Now, I do want to tell you that when I talk about where this came from, I'm going to have to talk about some really ugly things and some ugly comments and statements that have been made by so-called scientists. And I think you'll find some of these statements shocking and racist and elitist. These are not our opinions. So as I'm reading this, I don't want you to get the thought, well, he's reading that because that's what he thinks. No, it's not what I think. I think very different than that. But, you know, people can always maybe take out a snippet of something you said or re-edit it, kind of like they do on the news with Donald Trump, that kind of thing. And so I just want to make this statement up front because we want to make the case about this so that we can really understand what evolution is all about. Usually when people talk about evolution, they talk about the scientific claims of evolution. And if they're against evolution, they want to disprove those scientific claims. That's not my main interest tonight. I'm interested in where did evolution come from and what is it really all about? And only secondarily interested in scientific claims about it.
Was this video informative? Click the like button below to help spread the word to others. Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss out on more amazing content from Eliyahu Ben David.